Hey Beans, welcome back to another video. This one's gonna be pretty short, sweet, and informative. I realized that when I was posting some other videos before, people were like, hey, how'd you get the moving wallpapers? And I was like, oh duh, I gotta show you guys that. So I'm gonna step by step show you how to get the moving wallpapers. It's really simple. So follow along with me if you want to upgrade your setup and get moving wallpapers. Now we're gonna start with our desktop as usual. There's no cool wallpaper yet, but check this out. You're gonna get Steam. If you have Steam already, this is great. If not, just go on your search engine, type in Steam downloader, download Steam and make sure you have it set up. If you don't have an account, that's kind of what you're gonna need because we are going to use something called Wallpaper Engine. Wallpaper Engine is amazing, and that is how I get my moving wallpapers. It is $4.99 on Steam. Currently, I don't know if the price will change, but that is what it is. I have it in my library already. So once you have Steam, go ahead, download Wallpaper Engine. When you have Wallpaper Engine, go ahead and open it up. Here you'll see a couple settings. Now the settings we have here, you can select overall wallpaper quality. It ranges from low to ultra. My computer's kind of a beast, so we'll do ultra. Now, when we load up our Wallpaper Engine, check this out. I have currently 3 monitors. Usually I have 5. So I'm gonna start with 1 for the sake of this tutorial. So we're gonna click change wallpaper. Now, if you can see here, there is an entire plethora of wallpapers and a lot of them are animated. Some of them have sounds. Now you'll see the 3 options on the top. They range from installed, discover, to workshop. Install, discover, workshop. So we're gonna go under discover. We wanna find new wallpapers, right? Let's go ahead and check out winter. I'll tell you right now, there are so many anime wallpapers here that is where I get the anime wallpapers from. There's also Minecraft. I'm sure there's all sorts of games on here. I haven't done too much extensive research as far as like I like whales, I like Minecraft, I like anime. I kind of stick with those ones, and there's tons of options. Wow, this is beautiful. So there's this beautiful winter cabin. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the settings. Now, if you click on any of these wallpapers that you're interested in on the right hand side, there is a lot of options. Volume, some of them have sound. Remember I said that. So I don't want sound with mine. I don't. Mainly because like usually I'm playing other stuff and then you'll just have music playing all the time. And sometimes you forget and you're like, where the heck is that music coming from? Then I gotta go open the app and shut it up. So, playback rate. This is fun. You see the little snowflakes that are falling? The playback rate either speeds it up, slows it down. For me, I like it nice and slow and serene, so I like to do that. Alignment. This is great. There's stretch, center, fill, cover, free. You can kind of imagine if you do center, it's going to go more toward the center. It's not going to take up the entire screen. For the sake of looking really clean, I like to put fill just so it fills all the corners of the screen. Flip, yes, you can flip them horizontally. So it goes, if you want to flip your wallpaper the other way, you get it? You get it? Image filter, you can add cool filters on there if you want. There's shadow boost, moonlight, late night, desert, midday sun. Feel free to test out these settings as you will. For me, I tend to like them as they are. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to okay that one. Check this out. It's there. See it? In all its beauty. I love the fact that Wallpaper Engine has really high quality wallpapers too. I never have an issue with the quality. And there's really cool wallpapers. I've searched and searched. There's so many pages. When I say so many pages and so many options for wallpapers that you will never get tired of it. And you can also make your own and upload them. That's a whole other video. But anyway, that's how I get my moving wallpapers. There are some that I really like that actually react with music. Those ones are really, really cool. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. You know what it is. I have a lot of computer tutorials if you guys like learning stuff like that. So let me know that as well. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And see you guys in another video.